Hey guys, so we have Antiwar number 10. I've got my list all here and I just want to jump right into it. I don't want this to be a long thing. I just want to get it done. Okay, I got things. So okay. So first is the NARS Danger Control eyeshadow palette. Like, this is 6 pans of shimmers. The colors are pretty, but I can find those colors in like scattered around a bunch of my palettes. Second of all, I'm gonna have to use another palette in order to make this palette work, and it's just kind of like, why am I doing that? It's pointless. And it kind of reminds me of the Fenty palette. I can't remember what that one was called, but that was all shimmers. This is all shimmers. Like, we need to have 2 or 3 mattes, people. Just a couple of mattes, like, please just help a sister out. So I'm gonna have to skip on that one for those 2 reasons. Oh, and I think they have like some blush palettes as well. Next is the Becca Parisian Lights highlighter. I just don't want it. I just don't. Like, we've seen these shades before. May not necessarily. I'm just gonna skip on this one. I feel like I just don't need any more highlighters. I tend to draw for the same kind of shades of highlighter anyway. Like, I like pink and I like gold. Those are my 2 favorite ones, and obviously sometimes a little bit of a peach one, but aside from that, I just don't feel like I need to have this in my collection. Pretty though it may be, but seen it before, so let's just not. Same thing with this Laura Geller Alanized highlighter. They're doing a collaboration with this person. I'm not too sure who they are. If you do know who they are and I don't, please don't take offense. I don't like, people don't always watch the same YouTubers or follow the same influencers, and this is just an influencer that I don't know. But again, this highlighter is just something that I've seen before. It comes with a liquid lipstick. I'm not really too keen on liquid lipsticks right now anyway, so I'm just gonna not bother. But I just keep on seeing the same shades over and over and over again. Please give me a break. Ooh, and Makeup Revolution recently came out with some contour highlighter stick things that look just like the Kim Kardashian KKW Beauty highlight contour stick things. So they have like the highlight contour sticks, and it's got the brush, like that little sponge and brush device applicator thing as well. I know that's going to be affordable. I don't know if I want to get it though, because I've got a ton of other contour and highlight items. So do I really need to get this? I'm not sure. When I first saw it, I was kind of like, no. So I want to stick with no, but I might be swayed. I don't know. And then we have the Balm Take Home the Bronze bronzers. I think this comes in like there's 3 or 4 bronzers. I have a few bronzers. I don't tend to use them that much, and I just don't tend to use bronzers that much anymore. I used to use bronzers a lot, but not that much anymore. I mean, when it's cold, when it's the colder months, yes, I do tend to be a little bit more pale, but then I just use my contour shade to just like lightly dust over my face and I'm good. That's even if I want to do that, because sometimes I don't even do that. So these bronzers, they look cool, and I like the whole Oscars theme. That's cool, but I just don't have any need for bronzers as such. So, and bronzers tend to run a little bit orange on me. I don't like looking like an orange. So next are the Anastasia liquid lipsticks. Like, she's got a brand new range of liquid lipsticks, and these, they do look different. They are different. These are some shades that I don't necessarily see a lot of people wearing all the time, if ever, but they are somewhat unique. They're not the same reds and nudes, and they're not. They're different. So I do like the way that they look, but because I'm not on this liquid lipstick kick, like, look, you can see that I'm just doing a very, very natural nude lip. Because I've got 1,000,001 nude lips, I just don't need any more, and I just need to kind of like run through what I currently have, because I tend to accumulate quite a bit of stuff. So I think aside from palettes, I'm not really going to be looking to buy like more liquid lipsticks. I've got just way too many as is, but I like that she's brought out brand new stuff, brand new colors. Next is the Michelou Witchcraft palette. I think I heard Lauren May Beauty talking about this one, if I remember correctly. If it wasn't her, then please, forgive me. But I'm just not keen on the whole witchcraft theme. Like, the palette itself doesn't look like a bad palette, and she has a few other palettes in her range as well, but I'm not keen on a palette named Witchcraft. No, so I'm just gonna skip on that one like real quick. A couple of things that I might get. I know this is an Antiwar, but you know, the Vizia or Visor Tryst palette. Oh my gosh, I love this palette. It looks so cute, and I might have a lot of these shades as is, but there's something about this that makes me really want it. I don't know, because Vizia, Visor, they're really expensive, so I'm not too sure, but it's definitely something that has caught my eye, and I just keep on like, let me have a look at that one again, but I don't even know where I can buy it anyway. So, oh, and something else that is coming out, I don't know when, but Treadmood recently released the pictures for the new Juvia's Place Warrior collection. I think they're coming out with 3 palettes, 3 Warrior palettes, like volume 1, volume 2, volume 3, and they've also got like a liquid lipstick collection as well, like a Warrior liquid lipstick collection. As they always do, they show you a picture of like the palettes empty, like just the artwork, but inside there's nothing in them, and I think that's how they grab people. It's like that artwork is just amazing, so I'm definitely interested in those, seeing as I've got everything else that they have palette wise. Liquid lipsticks, I feel like the last collection they had was the festival collection, and it had 2 liquid lipsticks, and to buy them over here was like £30. That's madness for 2 liquid lipsticks. I see Juvia's as a very affordable company, so their palettes are selling for a decent price, but the liquid lipsticks aren't. So I'll definitely be passing on the liquid lipsticks, because I just don't find that their pricing on like their gel liner, their liquid lipstick, I don't find that the pricing is as affordable as their palettes. So I'm going to pass on the liquid lipstick. I'm definitely going to be checking out those palettes, because I am definitely a Juvia's Place freak. Hello, Bunny.
I'm not Bunny. I'm not on the bus.
Do you want to come into frame so people can see you? Don't come over here. Say hi, everyone.
I had to run.
So, yeah. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!